Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next is all about amenities of this property, so you can see on your screen. All guests will be required to visit photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. These and offers are available online for this property along with various lease and management policies. If you are planning to visit, you can refer to the links provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have shared in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon